In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Vaporwave effect in Clipchamp to give your videos that retro, dreamy, neon aesthetic. Vaporwave is perfect for music edits, aesthetic montages, gaming clips, or any project where you want that nostalgic 80s and 90s inspired vibe. The best part is you can do this directly inside Clipchamp in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the intensity and grain adjustments that really make the effect stand out. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp editing guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either start a brand new project or open an existing one that already has footage in the timeline. Once your project is open, make sure your video clip is added to the timeline so you can see it in the preview window. If your footage isn't there yet, simply drag and drop it from the Media tab onto the timeline. Next, click directly on the video in the preview window or select it from the timeline. This step is very important because Clipchamp needs to know which clip you want to apply the effect to. When the clip is selected, you'll notice editing options appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, look for the Effects option in the right side editing panel and click on it. This will open up the Effects library where you can browse different visual styles that Clipchamp offers. Scroll through the list of available effects until you find the Vaporwave effect. Once you see Vaporwave, click on it to apply it to your selected clip. Immediately, you'll notice the color tones shift into that classic Vaporwave style with pinks, purples, and a slightly distorted retro feel. But we're not done yet. To really customize the look, adjust the intensity slider. Increasing the intensity will make the colors stronger and more dramatic, while lowering it will create a more subtle aesthetic. Take a moment to preview the clip as you adjust this so you can find the perfect balance for your project. You can also adjust the grain settings. Adding more grain gives your video a vintage, analog texture, which works really well for Vaporwave edits. If you prefer a cleaner look, reduce the grain slightly while keeping the color treatment strong. Play the preview a few times to see how the effect looks in motion. This is important because Vaporwave styles can look different when the clip is actually playing compared to when it's paused. Once you're happy with the adjustments, that's it. Your Vaporwave effect is successfully applied. If you want to enhance the look even more, you can combine this with slow zooms, retro text overlays, or synth-style background music to really sell the aesthetic. And that's how you add a Vaporwave effect in Clipchamp quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.